Today I got to take home my bionic hand for the first time ever, and we're gonna see how my cat reacts to it. One thing about my cat is she's an over dramatic queen. You can hear her screaming right now, so let's see how this goes. Here's the victim, here's the hand.
No.
I have a theory, if she watches me put the hand on, that maybe it will be less scary because she'll realize it's like connected to me, you know? Let's see. Arm is on. Okay.
It's okay. It's okay.
It's okay.
It's fine. Look,
I'm
he's
not gonna
gone.
hurt you.
She can pet you now.
Here.
Like it? Like it? Aw. Aw. Yeah, I'm not gonna hurt you. Don't bite it.
Ah, my finger!